Today we're going to look at the economic development strategic planning process that Hampton Township is currently undertaking. In order to promote economic stability, resiliency, and future economic growth, Hampton Township wants to be proactive in developing a comprehensive plan to address economic concerns while also leveraging existing and future economic opportunities. The purpose of this plan is to evaluate the existing economic situation in Hampton Township and the surrounding region, identify opportunities for future economic growth and resiliency, and develop a plan that will ultimately act as a roadmap for the township's economic future. So why is an economic development and resiliency plan important to the current and future economy in Hampton Township? The planning process is important to the Hampton Township's economy for a number of reasons. Firstly, it will gather and prioritize feedback from community stakeholders like yourself, which will be crucial to any future planning efforts undertaken by Hampton Township. It will also identify and promote strategies that promote future job growth and the attraction of private sector investment and development. It will help grow the township's tax base. It will promote future job growth within the township. It will proactively identify strategies to diversify the future economy, helping to stabilize it in the event of local, regional, or national economic downturns. And it will strategically develop a forward-thinking plan to leverage any potential economic opportunities in the township, region, and state. So what are the various components of a strategic economic development and resiliency plan? There are a number of different components in the economic development planning process. The first stage is performing a market and industry analysis, looking at key industry and other economic trends in the township, region, and state economies. The second component is a review of the existing infrastructure, development, and transportation systems in and around Hampton Township. The third component is a community outreach and stakeholder feedback component, which in this case will be done in the form of a community survey. The next component is a summary of key findings from the earlier stages of the planning process, specifically identifying various economic opportunities and challenges that Hampton Township is and will be facing in the future. The final component is the delivery of actionable strategies and recommendations focused on future economic opportunities, development, growth, and resiliency plans for Hampton Township. After performing an initial industry and market analysis focused on the local and regional economy, there were a number of industry sectors that have been identified as being potential opportunities for future economic activity in Hampton Township. Early analysis pointed to a number of different industries that may present future opportunity for growth within Hampton Township. These industries include manufacturing, agricultural production, healthcare services, retail, and construction. Now that we've given you a little bit of background on the economic development strategic planning process, key components included in that process, as well as some early findings in regard to economic potential in Hampton Township, we want your feedback. Our short survey is designed to get your input on a number of different factors that will ultimately inform the strategies and recommendations included in the economic strategic plan presented to Hampton Township. Some factors outlined in the survey focus on economic opportunities, challenges, early economic opportunity findings, housing needs within Hampton Township, industries that might hold high potential for economic growth within the township, as well as a number of different factors that we're hoping to get your feedback on. Thank you for taking the time today to learn more about this process, and we're looking forward to hearing from you soon.